Yes, all of you be ready.
Start. Friends, I am grateful to the authorities of the university for kindly inviting me to this happy function. I hope this is a rare privilege and honor to be associated with the development of this university. It is a very wise decision of the state government to establish a university in this place, which is the second largest city in the state. It is one of the few places in India which richly deserves this high honor. I would very much like to compliment the people and the government of this state on the great and useful work they have been doing to improve education in all branches. The extent of voluntary enterprise, the generous contributions made by the local people for educational purposes, and the large number of competent and willing teachers which you possess clearly indicate your faith in improving the standards of education. You have given a lead to the country in several fields. I know you were the first to have a library cess and promote library movement. You were the first to develop a very big program of midday meals in schools and of providing free books, notebooks and uniforms to deserving children studying in elementary schools. You also took a lead in making education free up to the secondary stage level. I am also glad to find that science education has taken deep roots in your area. I very much wish that the other states in India would adopt similar policies in regard to the development of education in their respective states. Universities in India are facing great challenges today. They have the difficult task of shaking off the old traditions which gives undue prominence to certain aspects of education. They have now to participate actively in programs of national development. It is their responsibility to develop the languages of the schools and to undertake concrete programs to improve school education itself. Also, you have to guard against frequent strikes and the consequences thereof. Student unrest, whatever be the reason, will certainly paralyze the smooth functioning of the educational system, and hence it is imperative that everyone concerned in the proper development of education should carefully consider its disastrous consequences and take such steps which will create a change of heart at all levels and which will result in the smooth functioning of university life. I am sure every one of you is fully aware of the difficult days that the universities have to face. Their difficulties are becoming more and more acute nowadays because of the steep decrease in resources. For instance, the cost per student has increased while the national income is low. I am quite conscious that the universities have never before experienced such difficulties and challenges in the past. Nevertheless, I am not disturbed by the magnitude of these challenges of difficulties and the changing resources. Thank you. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your kind letter of the 10th instant, and thank you. As desired by you, we are sending by separate post a copy of our latest prize list and catalogue. We are sure that you will find therein the necessary details about the various items of electrical goods that you want. As for the electric fans that you require immediately. We are sorry that it will not be possible for us to supply the fans of the particular make that you want for another 6 weeks. However, if you could wait for 6 to 7 weeks, we shall be glad to contact our head office and get you the same. On the other hand, if you cannot wait for so long, we will be in a position to supply you fans of other makes which will give you the same satisfaction as the ones that you want. On hearing from you, we shall take further action in the matter. We very much regret to note that the switches that we had sent you in our last consignment were not the ones that you had asked for. On inquiry, we now find that due to a mistake, the switches of a cheaper variety and which were intended for another customer of ours were wrongly sent to you. We are taking action against those responsible for the mistake. We regret the mistake and assure you that it will not be repeated. You may kindly return those switches to us and we shall immediately send you the best ones that you require. We shall bear all the extra freight charges. We may inform you that we are in a position to supply other items within the time that you want. Our manager Sri Ram is away on business tour and as soon as he returns, we shall place before him the other points raised in your letter and send you a reply. We thank you for your esteemed past orders and assure you that we shall pay the same best attention to your future orders as we have done in the past. Yours faithfully. Dear shareholder, at the outset, let me thank you for your participation in the company's recent public issue of shares of 100 rupees each, amounting to 5 crores. Shares were allotted on the 1st of this month and the relevant letters of allotment along with share certificates are enclosed with the allotment advice cum notice which sets out detailed instructions for various actions at your end. After receipt of the above instructions, I am sure you are happy to receive them. I take this opportunity to share with you the latest information on your company. You will be happy to know that your fertilizer plant is performing very well and on many occasions capacity utilization of more than 100% has been achieved. It is a source of gratification that in the 6th month of operation itself, the plant has achieved a record capacity utilization. Thanks to the dedicated efforts of a highly motivated and competent management team of your company, ably guided by an eminent board, your plant has set a record in the fertilizer industry in India by achieving such a high level of capacity utilization within the first 6 months of its operation. The strategy of market seeding program adopted by the company a few years ago has enabled it to sell its entire production with considerable ease and speed. The farmers of the region continue to be highly satisfied with the product. The subsidy disbursement from the Government of India have been quite regular. Service to the shareholders has been uppermost in our minds for quite some time. In order to provide specific focus on this, an investors services wing has been formed by the group to serve your interest better than ever. Steps are underway to make this wing fully operational at the earliest. With your continued support and help, I am sure your company would set new records. Let me assure you that your company would reciprocate in full measure the confidence reposed in it by your participation in the rights issue of the company. Your support is a real strength. With warm regards, yours sincerely, Managing Director.